Hi all, this is Fawaz. Welcome to SharePoint World. In today's video, we are going to explore Microsoft Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is a tool from Microsoft that lets you create and customize your own AI assistant. You can design conversation, automate tasks, and connect to different data sources, all without needing to write much code. And it is part of my Power Platform, and it is help you build smart interactive bots. Let us get started and see how it is work. Now let's head over to Microsoft Copilot Studio. You can access this site by going to copilotstudio.com. Once you sign in with Microsoft register account, you will land on this homepage. Here you will see any existing Copilot you have created, and you also have option to start building a new Copilot from scratch. This uses conversation AI to understand what user means through NLU. NLU means natural language understanding. So your Copilot can respond intelligently to different way of asking the same question. On top of that, it includes generative AI powered by Azure OpenAI, which help your Copilot generate answers and even assist you in creating topic just by describing what you want in plain language. Now let's go ahead and create new Copilot. First click on the create button on the left side, then click on the new agent. Click on create. Now we are on the overview screen. I will walk you through the key section using a real example. Let us say we are building a copilot to help with employee onboarding. So first here we can edit. Okay, it's just loading. So once it is loaded here you can edit. So let me put here employee onboarding. Now here we have to put the description. So here we can type something like the Copilot Assist. Let me type this one. Here I have put like this Copilot assists new employee by answering common onboarding question, providing links to policies and guiding them through initial setup. Let me save this one. Next, one more thing here you can see we are using GPT-4o by default. That means this onboarding copilot can understand natural language, generate helpful responses, and even guide employee through tasks in a conversational way. So now let me direct to the instruction section. This is like giving your copilot a role. For example, we might say like this copilot, like you are on or you are an HR onboarding assistant. Help new employees with policy question, IT setup. So this instruction helps shape the personality and focus of your copilot. So it stay on topic and give consistent answers. Let me add that as well. Here you can see you are an HR onboarding assistant, help new employee with policy question, IT setup, and company procedure. Keep responses friendly and clear. So now we set a role as well here. Let me save this one. So here I'm just showing you how we are going to achieve this whole thing, just for learning purpose. Now the basic thing is knowledge. This is where we can connect actual onboarding resources. So if you check here, like a SharePoint site or even the company URL, the Copilot will use this as a reference material to give accurate, grounded answers to new hires. This is powered by retrieval augmented generation. So which means that AI can combine its language understanding with your own trusted content. If you click on add knowledge here, you will see a few different options appear. Website URL, SharePoint site or upload file. Let us say we want the Copilot to refer to our HR policy handbook. We can upload the PDF here directly, or we can paste a SharePoint site URL that contain document on IT setup instruction or leave policies. Once we added this resource will appear in the knowledge list, and Copilot will use them when answering employee question. This means if a new employee asks, how do I set up my Outlook email? The Copilot can pull that answer directly from the uploaded guide or HR portal. So with just a few clicks, we have connected real company knowledge to the Copilot, make it more accurate. Now the important part is topics. Basically, a topic is a structured unit of conversation. It defines how your Copilot should recognize a user intent or how it should respond. Think of it like if a new employee asks, how do I get my ID card? The Copilot need to understand that question, match it to the topic, and carry a helpful conversation there. Here you can see Copilot Studio topic are divided into two types, system topic and custom topic. So basically system topic means these are built-in topic that handle common general purpose conversation. Here you can see like greeting, conversation start. So conversation start basically triggered when the users start chatting. Also here you can see end of conversation, escalate. So these all are the system topic. Let me try to create a custom topic. So you get some idea. So our plan is like we will request a vehicle pass. So for example, if employee asks, how do I raise a vehicle pass or how do I get a vehicle pass? So at that time, how our topic will handle here. Let us see that. So let me create a topic from blank. Here you can see we selected the age and chooses. So that is the trigger here. And here you can see describe what the topic does. They provide one example as well. This topic provide information about support ticket. So here we have to modify based on our requirement. We are letting the AI decided when to activate this topic. Inside, like here, instead of relying on exact keyword, the AI uses natural language understanding to match the user intent with topic based on the description we wrote. Let me just add a description so you'll get some idea here. I just pasted like this topic provides information about the vehicle pass request. And it gives user a link to the request form. It can answer question like how do I get a vehicle pass or where can I request a parking pass, something like that. Now I'm just giving one message to the user. Let us see how it is work. So let me add a message as well here. Let me save this. I will put a name, get pass. So let us see how it is work. Okay, I'm just asking. Simply see here you can see that triggered. So based on the description, it got triggered. But how it is happening in the behind the scene? Here the other thing we have to understand is that generative AI. Suppose if I go to settings, here you can see generative AI. So this worked because our agent is using generative AI orchestration, a powerful feature that let the AI read topic description, understand the user intent. So that's why actually it is working. The other option is classic orchestration, but there we have to mention all the triggers and all things. So now if we go to our agent again, so now once your topic is ready and tested, the final step is to publish your Copilot to a channel. So user can actually start using it. So that's where these channels come. Here you can see several publishing options. These are called channels, which are platforms where your Copilot can run. For example, Microsoft Teams to let user chat with your Copilot directly inside Teams or website. You can embed your Copilot on an internal portal or public site. Let us say we want to publish this onboarding board to Microsoft Teams. So here you can see Teams and then you can publish to Microsoft Teams. The other thing is that activity. So here you can see the activity what happened before. I hope you enjoyed this one.